everyone and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain My Chili's beanbag reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether My Chili's beanbag is a legit product or a scam one. And before that, I would like to inform you all guys that this is not our product. If you have never ordered this product before, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy this product or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this product, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. And guys, My Chili's beanbag product is gaining a lot of attention in the United States as well. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the amazing picture of this product, which is My Chili's beanbag, and the price of this offering is $34.90. Guys, My Chili's offers a larger than average beanbag for the entire family, which is ideal for a comfortable spot in the house. And the colossal beanbag can be placed on the room's edge or even before the lounge's television. So guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this product as a scam or legit. So starting with the specifications of this product, guys, so I have already discussed the price of this product, which is $34.90. The product warranty is not available on the official website. Apart from that, the color options are black, gray, sky blue, wine red, red and orange. Here you can take a look at the hues of this product. And talking about the size of this product, which is oversized. Now guys, let's talk about the pros of this product. And this beanbag can oblige two individuals all at once, which is one of the biggest pros of this product. Apart from that, they are made of super safe texture to give extreme solace. And yes, this ultimate product can be washed at home without much of a stretch. And the functional design of the item is an extension to the incredible home style. So I think these are the amazing benefits of this product. And apart from that, guys, the express delivery is 24 to 48 hours and you will get satisfaction guarantee after the delivery of this product. And all deliveries are there to Europe, Canada and the United States. Now talking about the reviews, so guys, we found that the item was launched in the market only 23 days back, which is certainly showing the lack of promotions. And therefore we have found few My Chili's beanbag reviews which doesn't say great about the product on other web-based shopping sites as well. Talking about the social media existence, so guys, the product doesn't have a presence on social media stages, for example Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, which also shows lack of promotion. So guys, this item is fabulous, no doubt, and made of premium quality. But in the final conclusion, I would say before making any online purchase, you should explore the website or explore the information about the product on your behalf and make a wise decision, guys. So in the last information, I just want to tell you that this is an amazing product and you can give it a try. But yes, customer reviews plays a crucial role in defining a product's legitimacy. So right now, verified users doesn't have posted some reviews about this product. So yes, you need to wait for a while. So guys, I request you all to share your experience with this product, and if you have any problem with your money, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.